Namaste. In last class, we have discussed about rules to name the coordination compounds. Also, we have seen some examples. Today, we can see some more examples. First one is PTNH3 twice ClNO2. Okay. In this coordination compound, platinum is the central metal ion, NH3, Cl and NO2. These three are the ligands. And it's a neutral complex because there is no charge on this complex. Okay. Then we have to start naming of this compound with the ligands. Okay. So here we are having amine, chloride as well as nitro compounds as the ligands. Okay. As per the alphabetical order, amine comes first, then we have to name the chlorides, then we have to name the nitro compounds. Okay. Now first one, there are two ammonia groups are there, so it is diamine here chlorido, and this one nitro compound, you can write nitro or you can write nitrito, and here this is a ambidentate ligand. It can coordinate with the central metal ion by using the nitrogen or by using the oxygen. Okay, in this case it is going to coordinate with the platinum with the nitrogen, so it is nitrito N, and this is your central metal ion, so it is platinum, and you have to calculate the coordination number now. Okay, look at this one, amine or ammonia molecules, these are the neutral ligands, and you will get the 0 charge for this one. Chloride, it is the -1, and this is the nitro compound NO2 minus. So here two negative charges are there because of the presence of nitro group as well as the chloride group. Ultimately, platinum should possess the +2 charge to have the neutral complex. So it is charge on platinum is 2. Or you can also calculate as per the rules, that is X oxidation state of platinum plus ammonia, it is 2 into 0 plus -1 plus -1 equals to 0. Okay, so X minus 2 equal to 0, so X equals to +2. This is the oxidation state of platinum. So a name of the above complex is, it is diamine chlorido nitrito N platinum 2. Okay, next second example is CONH35 CO3 Cl. Okay, so here we have written counter ion on the right side of the complex. Okay, here coordination complex or coordination sphere, it is at the left side. It means that this is the cationic complex and this is the anionic ion. Okay, and first you have to name the cation. Okay, so here in this one, this coordination sphere is the cationic. Now here ammonia is there and carbonate is there. First you have to name the amine. So there are 5 ammonia molecules are there, so it is the pentamine. Next you have to name carbonate, that is pentamine carbonato because it is the negative ligand. carbonato, and it is central metal ion. You have to name cobalt, and left a space for writing the oxidation state. Okay, then it is the chloride. Okay, while writing the counter ions, need not to change this name with the O. Okay, so just write what is the name of that actual ion, that is the chloride. Now you have to calculate oxidation state of the central metal ion. Again, cobalt, its oxidation state to be calculated. Then here ammonia, it is 5 into 0 plus carbonate. You know that it is having -2 charge. Okay, plus chloride ion, it is also having -1 charge, and overall molecule is neutral, equals to 0. So it is X plus 0 minus 3 equals to 0. So X equals to plus 3. So that is the oxidation state of the cobalt. So write 3 here in the Roman letters. Okay, so name of this compound is pentamine carbonato cobalt 3 chloride. Okay, so next one, HgCOSCN4. Okay, so here Hg, it is the counter ion and it is present at the left side of the complex, so it is a cation, and cobalt, it is the central metal ion, and thiocyanate, these are the ligands. Okay, so first you have to name cationic part of the coordination compound, that is Hg, it is mercury, and now you have to name ligands, it is tetra thiocyanato, and name of the central metal ion should end with the ATE because it is the anionic coordination sphere or anionic complex. So it is tetrathiocyanato cobaltate, and you have to write the oxidation number. Okay, look at this one, HgCOSCN4. Okay, so here you know the oxidation state of mercury, that is the +1, plus cobalt you need to calculate, plus thiocyanato, it is having -1 charge, so 4 into -1 equals to 0. So it is X minus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. So it is X equals to plus 3, because -4 plus 1 is -3, X minus 3 equals to 0, X equals to plus 3. Here oxidation state of cobalt is 3. Okay, and name of the compound is, it is mercury tetrathiocyanato cobaltate 3. Next example is COCl2En twice Br. Okay, in this compound chlorides and ethane 1,2 diamine both are the ligands, and Br is the counter ion, and this is the central metal ion, that is cobalt. Okay, so first you have to name the ligands. Okay, and according to alphabetical order, chloride comes first, then you have to name the ethane 1,2 diamine, and name of the compound is, it is, there are 2 chloride ions, dichlorido. Okay, there are 2 ethane 1,2 diamine. You know that if name of the ligand contains numerical prefixes, then you have to use, that is bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis, etc. So here there are 2 ethane 1,2 diamines, so it is bis ethane 1,2 diamine ethane 1,2 diamine, and name of the central metal ion is cobalt. Okay, you know that while writing this type of names you have to put these names in the parenthesis. So it is dichlorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt, and leave some space for the oxidation state, and here it is the counter ion is bromide. Okay, so now calculate the oxidation state of the central metal ion. Okay, here ethane 1,2 diamine, it is the neutral ligand, so it possesses 0 charge, and chlorides are there, -1 charge, 2 into -1, it is 2 negative charges, plus -1 charge outside the complex ion. Okay, so totally you will get the 3 negative charges. To nullify the 3 negative charges and to get the neutral complex, here central metal ion should possess the 3 positive charges. So here oxidation state of cobalt is 3, or you can calculate as per the rules, that is x plus 2 into -1 plus 2 into 0 minus 1 equals to 0. So it is x minus 3 equals to 0, x equals to plus 3. Okay, so next one, K3 FeC2O4 tries. Okay, here potassium is the cation and this complex ion is the anion. Okay, first you have to name the cation, so it is potassium, and in this complex ion oxalate ions are the ligands. So name of this compound is, it is potassium trioxalato. Okay, and it is the anionic complex. Name of the central metal ion should end with the ate, and in this case we are using the Latin word, that is trioxalato ferrate, and you have to calculate the oxidation state. Okay, potassium, it is the first group element and having the +1 charge, 3 into +1 plus oxidation state of the central metal ion plus 3 into here oxalate ion, it is having the -2 charge equals to 0. So it is 3 plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So x equals to +3, because x minus 6 is x minus 3. So sorry, 3 minus 6 is x minus 3, and if you take that -3 to the right side you will get the +3. So this is the oxidation state of the central metal ion, that is iron. Okay, so it is +3. Okay, and name of the compound is potassium trioxalato ferrate 3. Next one is K2PdCl4. In this compound, potassium is the cation and PdCl4 it is the anionic complex. Okay, so it is the potassium Okay, next one, here there are 4 chloride ions. It is tetra chlorido, it is palladium, okay, you have to calculate the oxidation state. So here potassium, it is 2 into +1 plus x plus 4 into minus 1 equals to 0. So here x equals to plus 2. So that is the oxidation state of the palladium. So it is potassium tetrachlorido palladium 2. Next compound is PT NH3 twice Cl NH2 CH3 Cl. Okay, here in this compound platinum is the central metal ion, ammonia, chloride and methane amine, these three are the ligands, and chloride, it is the counter ion. Okay, so as per the alphabetical order, here amine comes first, then chloride, then methane amine. Okay, so first name the amines. It is diamine chlorido. Here name of the organic compounds, it is named as it is. Okay, so NH2 CH3, it is the methane amine. And then you have to name the central metal ion platinum, because it is a cationic complex platinum. Leave the space for oxidation state. Okay, and it is chloride, counter ion. Amine, it is the neutral one, and methane amine, it is also the neutral one. You are having one negative charge in the complex and one negative charge outside the complex. So here totally two negative charges are there. To have the neutral complex, here platinum should possess two positive charges. So here platinum 2 chloride is the name. So complete name of this molecule is, it is the diamine chlorido methane amine platinum 2 chloride. Next one is KAgCN twice. Okay, here potassium is the cation and this complex ion is the anionic complex. So first you have to name the potassium because it is a cationic counter ion, potassium. Then it is dicyano, potassium dicyano. Here this is the anionic complex, so central metal ion should end with the ATE. Okay, name of the central metal ion should end with ATE, and here it is argentate because we have to use the Latin word here, argentate, and finally you have to show the oxidation state. So here potassium dicyano argentate, and here oxidation state you have to calculate +1 plus x plus 2 into minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so it is 1 plus x plus 1 minus 2, it is x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to +1. Here it is having +1 oxidation state, and name of the compound is, it is potassium dicyanoargentate 1. Okay, here while naming the cyanides you can use the cyanide also. Okay, that is CYANIDO. Okay, so here potassium dicyanoargentate 1. Okay, next one is NaAuCN twice. Again here sodium is the cationic counter ion and this is the anionic complex. It is sodium dicyanide. Okay, again here this is the anionic complex. Name of the central metal ion should end with the ATE, and here we have to use the Latin word. It is aurate, AURATE, and leave this space for the oxidation state. Okay, so sodium it is in the +1 oxidation state, plus X plus 2 into -1 equals to 0. Again, X equals to +1. So oxidation state of Au is +1. Okay. Next one is KMNO4, potassium permanganate, usually we can call that is KMNO4. While naming this one, this is the counter ion and this is the anionic complex. So it is potassium here. O4 means it is the tetraoxido. So potassium tetraoxido, and you have to end the name of the central metal ion in this complex with the ATE, because again it is a anionic complex. So it is manganate, and you have to mention the oxidation state. So potassium, it is in the +1 oxidation state, plus manganese, you have to calculate the oxidation state of the central metal ion, plus oxygen 4 into -2 equals to 0, because there is no charge on the whole molecule. So it is +1 plus X plus 4 into -2, it is +1 minus 8. +1 minus 8 means it is the -7. X minus 7 equals to 0. So X equals to +7. So this is the oxidation state of the manganese. So it is 7. Okay. Potassium tetraoxido manganate 7.